Machine install. Beside the machine, there are 6 anchor supports and a spiral way to adjust balance to make the machine set horizontally on the floor. Open the door to check if any debris there and remove everything that irrelevant to the machine. Also check the screws fastening to avoid screws become less crowded during transportation. Open the cover plate on the side of machine body to check the cam, gear and knuckle bearing screws are tighted or not. Also clear the oil sink, then add lube oil. For the first time edition, the amount of each different model is listed below. 1. 35 liter for 90 DT. 2. 30 liter for 90 WT. 3. 45 liter for 100S, 600S, 600C, 118S, 118C, 138S, 1250s. 460 liter for 5000S. When the temperature is more than 20, add the gear oil CKC 220. If the temperature is under 20, we can choose CKC 150. Recommended to use CKC medium load industrial closed gear oil, Kunlun equivalent, EP 150 is recommended to use.